Imagine having your dream American car sitting in your garage next week. From a marine-built GTO to a Shelby GT350 that kept its owner up at night, we've rounded up 10 of the best classic cars for sale right now. Don't miss this.
Car number 1, 1967 Pontiac GTO hardtop.
All right, guys, check out this beast. This isn't just a restoration. It feels like a brand new 67. You've got the original 400 V8 pushing over 360 horsepower, paired with a crisp Muncie 4-speed. The seller, Chris, is a Marine veteran technician with 50 years of experience. So yeah, the workmanship here is no joke. That fire bronze metallic paint shifts color depending on the light, which is just stunning. It's listed at $55,000 in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Honestly, this is a rock-solid investment if you're chasing true American muscle. Car number 2, 1965 Chevrolet El Camino Beaumont Hybrid. This one's seriously unique. The owner blended a 65 El Camino with Canadian Beaumont styling, something GM never officially made. It's running a 350 small block with an AX15 5-speed, so it's actually a great driver. The paint's decent, a few small rust spots, but overall it's solid. You even get a real GTO dash ready to install, located in Clarkston, Michigan for $18,000. If you want something nobody else at the meet has, this is it.
Car number 3, 1965 Ford Cobra Backdraft Racing Replica. This is Backdraft Racing build number 743, and it's clean. Under the hood is a Roush 342R, putting out 463 horsepower. Now imagine that in a cart this light. Yeah, it's wild. You've got Hallebrand-style knockoff wheels and BMW-based suspension, so it actually handles sharp. Only 7,800 miles on it. Located in Fayetteville, PA, priced at $58,200. Track ready or street ready? Your call. Car number 4.
Okay, so here we have a 1966 AC Cobra replica. A little walk around video. First thing you'll notice is a little bit bigger scoop. That's to fit the 514 cubic inch big block Ford engine in there. Got American Racing polished Cobra wheels, ceramic coated side pipes. They are baffled to make it a little quieter for the street. It's an ostrich leather door panel and dash, black leather seats. A little over 2,100 miles on it.
1966 AC Cobra Replica, Street Beast. Pearl white with blue stripes, classic combo. But don't let the looks fool you. This thing packs a massive 514 cubic inch Ford big block. Interior's upscale too, with ostrich leather on the dash. Built professionally by Horsepower Restorations, and it's only got 2,300 miles on it. Just dropped to $39,000 in Glen Arm, Maryland. This is brute power with some serious comfort.
Car number 5, 1966 Shelby Cobra Replica, B&B Manufacturing. Another Cobra here, this one from B&B Manufacturing. It's got a 302 bored .40 over, paired with a 5-speed manual. The paint shows a little wear, but mechanically it's strong. Seller's old school, doesn't want long messages, just phone calls. It's listed at $40,000 in Novi, Michigan. Simple, raw, and ready to go. Car number 6, 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. Who doesn't love a 65 Fastback? This one's from Callaway Classics in Marshall, Virginia. It's got a 289 V8, automatic transmission, plus power steering and solid brakes, so it's actually super easy to drive. Finished in matching blue inside and out. Very clean, very original, and honestly, a great daily classic. Priced at $49,000. Fastbacks like this, they don't lose value. Car number 7, 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 clone.
All right, this is not your average clone. This GT350 Tribute is seriously authentic. The owner said he couldn't sleep for 2 weeks before buying it, and I get why. It's got the Hypo 289, Holley 3255 carb, Kelsey Hayes brakes, all the right details. This is show quality stuff. Located in Danville, Virginia for $89,500. Expensive? Yeah, but it's built to match the real deal. Car number 8. Factory 5 MK3 Shelby Cobra. This thing is a monster, a 408 stroker putting down over 500 horsepower, paired with a modern Edelbrock ProFlow 4 fuel injection system. 4-wheel disc brakes, brand new Nitto tires, the works. The owner went all out, and it's basically like new after a full rebuild. Located in Hilton, New York for $57,900. If you want zero compromises, this is your car. Car number 9, 1968 Mustang Coupe. This one comes with a bit of a story. It's being sold after the owner passed away, and his father just doesn't want to continue the project. But the car itself, it's been built right. Fuel injection, tons of new parts included, some not even installed yet. Located in Brown Summit, North Carolina for $18,500. That's a very honest price and a great opportunity to continue something meaningful.
Car number 10, 1966 Shelby Cobra replica, turquoise. Last one. This Cobra really stands out with that turquoise finish. It's got a bulletproof 351 Windsor paired with a 5-speed manual. The body is super clean, paintwork is top-notch, and yeah, it's fast. Located in Havelock, North Carolina for $38,600. If you want a Cobra that's a little different from the usual blue and white, this is a solid pick.
So, did any of these make you want to check your bank account real quick? Drop your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to VM Garage so you don't miss the next lineup of legendary finds. See you in the next video.